In the next, we're going to discuss here packing efficiency in HCP or CCP or FCC. Okay, hexagonal close packing, cubic close packing, or face-centered cube. So all have the same. In that similarity, the one atom should be present at every corner of the cube or the unit cell, and there should be a one atom which is present exactly at the center of the face. Okay, if you look at this diagram, you will find that this is the first atom, this is the face atom, and this is the third atom that is present at the corner. Now, if I have the radius of this atom as r, all the atoms are similar radius, then the distance between this point to this point is taken as 2r, that's the diameter, and now this distance between this center to up to this atom is r. That is AC, AC is a length, and that is given by r plus 2r plus r, that is equal to 4r. This entire length of the AC is given by 4r. And here the length AB is given by small a, and the length of BC is given by, that I'm going to write here, this length is a. Now AB length is equal to a, and BC length is equal to a. From the triangle ABC, this is a right angled triangle. From the Pythagoras theorem, we're going to calculate, that is from triangle ABC, we have here, that is, we want to find out the AC length in terms of A, edge length, that is AC square, that is equal to AB square plus this is BC square. Now we found the AC value, that is 4r bracket square, that is equal to AB is A, that is A square. Now here the BC is also A, edge length, that becomes A square. Now 4r square is equal to 2a square. Now here is a square, therefore if I remove this, if I want to remove the square, I take a square root on both sides, then it becomes 4r is equal to square root of 2, that is the square root of a square is a. Now, so after that I'm going to calculate r or the a in terms of a or r. So therefore a is equal to, that the edge length in terms of r, that is equal to the square root of 2 comes on the other side, then it becomes 4r divided by square root of 2. Okay, this is the first part we have to do, calculating the edge length in terms of radius of the sphere or the particle. In the next part, here we have, that is volume of the unit cell. Volume of unit cell is given by a cube. It means that we have here 4 divided by square root of 2 r cube, that is equal to, here 4 divided by square root of 2 is given by 2 into square root of 2 r, here is cube. Okay, after that we can write in the later words, that is volume of particle, so we taken a particle as a spherical, therefore the volume of the sphere is given by 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now the number of atoms in HCP or CCP or FCC. So what we learn there, so we have the spheres or the particles at the corners along with the center of the face. Okay, at the corners we have 8 atoms, share its 1/8 portion, right? Plus there are 6 faces, 6 atoms, share its 1/2 portion, that is equal to, we have 4 atoms. 4 atoms or the spheres. Now packing efficiency is given by volume of sphere or the atoms, that is 4 atoms, volume of 4 atoms divided by, or volume of 4 atoms occupied into 100 divided by volume of here we have cube, volume of cube, then that is equal to, volume of 4 atoms means we have 4, each atom having a volume of 4 by 3 pi r cube into 100, then that is divided by, here volume of the cube, it is here, that is 2 into square root of 2, here is r bracket cube. Now simplify this, we get here the 4 into 4, 16 by 3 pi r cube into 100 divided by the cube root of 3 here, it is 8 into 2 into square root of 2, then we have r cube. This r cube and this r cube get cancelled. This 16 and this 16, 8 into 2, 16 get cancelled. And by that we get here, so remaining parts we have to write here, that is, here we get pi by 3 into 100 divided by square root of 2, that is equal to, we have here, that is pi divided by 3 into square root of 2 into 100, that is equal to 3.142 into 100 divided by 3 into square root of 2 is given by 1 point that have value 1.414, then it becomes 314.2 divided by this value I have 3 multiplied with 1.414, this becomes 4.246. After that I get a value here, that is 73.99, or approximately it is 74%. Okay, now whatever value we got here, this is the value, that is volume occupied by 4 atoms in HCP or CCP or FCC, right? So this is the volume occupied by the 4 atoms in the crystal or the unit cell. Now your work is, you have to find out the how much amount of volume is unoccupied in the crystal, that you have to write in the comment section. Thank you for the watching, students.